Chapter Factors and Multiples for Grade 5 and 6. Topic Lowest Common Multiple, that is LCM, by Common Multiple Method and Prime Factorization method.
Hello everyone. In my previous videos, I have explained about highest common factor, that is HCF, and methods to find HCF. In this video, I will be explaining about lowest common multiple or LCM. Multiple of a given number is the product of that number when we multiply it by any other natural number. For example, if we multiply 4 by 1, so the first multiple of 4 will be 4. The third multiple of 4 will be 12 because when we multiply 4 by 3, we get 12. Fifth multiple of 4 is 4 into 5, that is 20. So we can find n number of multiples of the given number. Now LCM or least common multiple. Least common multiple of two or more numbers is the smallest number that is a multiple of all the given numbers. So here we have to find the multiples of the given number and we have to see which is the smallest multiple common to all the three numbers. The different methods to find LCM are common multiple method. It is also called as listing method. Second is prime factorization method and the third is common division method. So we will understand these methods one by one in detail. Now I will explain the first method to find LCM, that is common multiple method. First step is write at least 5 or 6 multiples of the given numbers. If 2 numbers are given or 3 numbers are given, then we have to write the multiples of those numbers separately, at least 5 to 6. Circle the multiples that are common in all the given numbers. Then we will circle the common multiples. Last step will be identify the lowest multiple among them. The lowest multiple will be our LCM. We will understand this with the help of an example. Here we will find LCM of 15 and 20. For this, if you know your tables, then it will help you to save time. Now we will find multiples of 15. Multiples of 15 are nothing but the table of 15. So here, those who know the table, it will become easier for you. Otherwise, you can refer this and we will write the 15's multiples. So first multiple of a number is a number itself. So here the first multiple is 15. Second multiple of 15 is 30. Third multiple of 15 is 45. Fourth multiple of 15 is 60. Fifth multiple of 15 is 75. And sixth multiple of 15 is 90. So here we have written 6 multiples of 15. Next we will write the multiples of 20. First multiple of 20 is 20. Second multiple of 20 is 40. Third multiple of 20 is 60. One important thing that if you find a multiple of the second number which already we have written for the first number, you can stop writing the multiples for second number. So here 60 we have written. Now the next step is we will circle the common multiples of the given numbers. Here two numbers are there. So we will circle the common multiples. 15 is not common, 30 is not common, 45 is not common, 60 is common. So if we will write the other multiple, so all these multiples will be greater and we have to find the smallest or the lowest multiple. So the lowest multiple we already got, that is 60. Next point you have to write is common multiples of the given numbers. That is common multiples of 15 and 20 in this example. So here only one multiple we got, that is 60. Then the LCM or the least common multiple of 15 and 20 is 60. Now we will find LCM of 9, 12 and 18 by listing method or common multiple method. For that, first we will find multiples of the given numbers. First we will write multiples of 9. The multiples of 9 is a table of 9. So the first multiple of 9 is 9, then second is 18, third multiple is 27, fourth multiple is 36, fifth multiple is 45 and sixth multiple is 54. So we will write at least 5 to 6 multiples of the given number. Next we will write the multiples of 12. Multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72 and so on. It's just the table of 12. Next we will find the multiples of 18. Multiples of 18 are 18, 36, 54, so on. I have stopped here because I got 36 over here, which already we have written for 12 and for 9. In both the multiples, we got 36 as a multiple. So we can stop multiplying here. Next, we will find the common multiples. The common multiples, 9 is not common in any of the number. 18 is common for 9 and 18, but it is not common for all three numbers. Common multiple should be common for all the given numbers. So 27 again is not common in all the three numbers. Next is 36. 36 is common multiple of all the three numbers. And if we'll find the other common multiples, those multiples will be greater than 36. And we want the lowest common multiple. So 36 is the lowest common multiple. So here the common multiple of 9, 12 and 18 is 36. So we will write that LCM of 9, 12 and 18 is 36. Next method to find LCM is prime factorization method. Prime factorization method I have explained in my previous videos. So I will just write the prime factors here. How to find that I will not explain in this video. So here the first step for finding LCM by prime factorization method is write the prime factors of the given numbers. If 2 or 3 numbers are given, then we have to write the prime factors of all those numbers. Circle the common prime factors of the given numbers. Then we will circle the common factors to separate it. Consider the prime factors that appears maximum time. This point I will explain with the help of an example. And lastly, we have to find the product of all the prime numbers that appears maximum time. And that product will give us LCM of those numbers. We will find LCM of 48 and 72 by prime factorization method. For that, first we will find the prime factors of 48. So for that we will divide 48 by only prime numbers. We get the factors of 48 as 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3. That means 4 times 2 and 1 times 3. Similarly, prime factors of 72 are 2, 2, 2, 3 and 3. So here we have written the prime factors of 48 and prime factors of 72. First we will find if 2 is present as a prime factor of the given numbers. Yes, 2 is present in both the numbers. So we will circle all the 2's in both the numbers. And then we will write how many times 2 is present in particular number. So in 48, 2 is present 4 times. So we will write 2 raised to power 4. And for 72, 2 is 3 times. That is, we will write 2 raised to power 3. Next factor is 3. So here 3 is present in both the numbers again. So here 3 is present only 1 times in 48 and 3 is present 2 times in 72. So here we will consider the factor which is present maximum times. Now if we'll consider the first factor, that is 2. So the first factor is 2. Here it is 4 times and here it is 3 times. So the maximum number is 4. 2 raised to power 4 we will consider. Next 3. 3 is 1 times in 48 and 3 is 2 times in 72. So here we will take 3 raised to power 2. So here this point is consider the prime factors that appear maximum times. The prime factors are present in this number as well as in this number. But here it is present 4 times, here it is present 3 times. So we will consider 2, the maximum times, that is 4, and 3 here is present 1 times, and in the second number 3 is present 2 times. So we will consider the maximum number, that is 2. So here we have written 2. Next step is we have to find the product of all the prime numbers. So here 2 is present 4 times. Raised to power 4 means 4 times. So we will write 2 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next prime number is 3 and it is 2 times. So we will write 3 into 3. When we will multiply this, the product which we will get will be our LCM. When we will multiply all the prime numbers, then we will get the answer as 144. And this product 144 is the LCM of 48 and 72. Now we will find LCM of 27, 54 and 90 by prime factorization method. For that, first we will write the prime factors of 27. Prime factors of 27 are 3 times 3. Next is, we will write the prime factors of 54. Prime factors of 54 are 2 and 3 times 3. Next is 90. Prime factors of 90 are 2, 3, 2 times and 1 time 5. Prime factors of 27 are 3 times 3. So we will write 3 and here raised to power 3. That means 3 times 3 is present. In second number, that is 54, 2 is also present and that is present once. So we will write 2 raised to power 1. And the next prime number, that is 3, present 3 times. Prime factors of 90, first is 2, that is present 1 time. 3 is present 2 times. And 5 is present 1 time. So we are done with writing the prime numbers and how many times they are present for each number. First we will start with the first prime number, that is 2. 2 is not present in 27, it is present in 54. It is once and in 90 it is once. So we will take it common, any one we can take. So here we will take 2 1 times. Next prime number is 3. So here 3 is present 3 times in 27. In 54, it is present 3 times, and in 90, it is present 2 times. So we will take the highest times, that is 3. It is common for both the numbers, so we will take only ones. So we will write 3 raised to power 3. Next, we will take the next prime number is 5. So 5 is not present in first two numbers, but it is present in the third number. So it is present once. That is the maximum time it is present. Now we will find the product of all the prime numbers. So first is 2. It is present 1 as maximum time. So we will write 2 once. Next prime number is 3. It is present thrice. So we will write 3 times. Next is 5, which is present maximum 1 time. So we will write it once. That is 5. So the product we have to find of 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. And the product of all these numbers is 270. So here the LCM of 27, 54 and 90 is 270. Some students find this method little confusing. So I will take one more example to practice how to find LCM by prime factorization method. So we will find LCM of 60, 75 and 90. So here first we will find factors of 60. Factors of 60 are here. So we will write all the factors of 60, that is 2, 2, 3 and 5. Next is factors of 75. Factors of 75 are 3, 5, 5. Next, factors of 90. So factors of 90 are 2, 3, 3 and 5. So we are done writing the factors of all the numbers. First prime number is 2. So we will see if 2 is present as a factor of all the given numbers. So 2 is present as a factor of 60. So we will circle it and we will write 2 is present 2 times in 60. Next is 75. So 2 is not present in 75. So we will leave it. Next is 2 is present as a factor of 90 and 2 is present once. So we will write that. After that, we will see how many times 2 is present in these two numbers. Here it is present 2 times, here it is present 1 time. So maximum times is 2. So we will consider common factor 2 as 2 times. Next we will move to the next prime number, that is 3. 3 is present as a factor of 60. In 60 it is present once. So we will write 3 as once. In 75 again 3 is present once. In 90 3 is present twice. So we will write 3 twice. So here 3 raised to power 2 means 2 times 3. So if we will see 3 is present 2 times, 3 is present 1 time, 3 is present 1 time. So here maximum time 3 is present, that is 2. So we will write 3 raised to power 2, that is maximum it is present 2 times. Next prime number is 5. So in the first number 65 is present once. In 75, 5 is present twice. So we will write 5 raised to power 2. In 90, 5 is present once. Here 5 is present in all three numbers, but in 75 it is present maximum times, that is 2. In rest 2 numbers it is present only 1. So we will take the maximum times, that is 2. So that is 5 raised to power 2. That means 5 2 times. Now next step is product of the factors. So we will write the product of the factors. 2 is 2 times. So 2 into 2. 3 is 2 times again. Next is 5, which is also present 2 times. So we will multiply 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. The product which we will get will be the LCM of 60, 75 and 90. When we will multiply all the prime numbers, we get 900 as the answer. So 900 is the LCM of 60, 75 and 90. So in this video, I have covered two methods, that is common multiple method or listing method and prime factorization method. In my next video, I will cover the division method and the relation between HCF and LCM. I hope the topics discussed in this video are clear to you. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.